Did you listen to the Hot Breakfast this morning? Here's what you missed.
In fact, people like Kianda who like eating, the place is called outside catering. You know, on the side of the road, you don't have a business permit, you don't know who the owner is,
right?
And they tell you that the ugali, nyama, na endless amount of meat is like 160 bob.
Right.
Just be very chonge of those places.
So would they have donkey Mutura?
We can do some research. You like Mutura a lot, huh?
I do, yeah.
All right.
But
so I think now, they've said the Bill Jaden, they're blocking tomorrow and Sunday. They should also block Kangemi. Jeff Koinage will be at the Kangemi stage looking for donkey Mutura between 10:05 and 10:08 tomorrow. So please accept the slight inconvenience.
In traffic?
Yes. Well, would you try donkey meat?
As long as I don't start kicking around afterwards.
By the way, you just get home, you knock the gate, ten, they refuse. Give it one kick, the whole wall falls. They're like, oh, Joyfree ni kama amekula nini puda leo.
The Hot Breakfast. Weekdays 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. Only on Hot 96.